This is the SAP Developer News for February 1st, 2024.
Have you heard of Code Connect? Well, now you have. Imagine the ideal LearnFest where you can also network with and get to know your peers, exchange ideas, and generally nerd out to key SAP development topics. Code Connect is a 4-day-long series of single-day events starting on Monday the 3rd of June with an SAP CodeJam on CAP, followed on the Tuesday by Recap the conference on CAP, followed then on Wednesday by the conference on UI5, that's UI5con, and then wrapping things up, the conference on ABAP on Thursday, that's ABAPConf Europe. The venue is Rote 3, one of the buildings in the SAP campus in St. Leon Rote in Germany. It's the first full week of June, and most importantly right now, there are calls for speakers for the CAP, UI5 and ABAP components of this event. So head on over to the website codeconnect.dev and from there into the individual conference websites. Get your session proposals submitted because the applications are closing at various times in February, so don't delay. And we'll see you there.
Did you know that the HANA CLI isn't just for HANA database development, but also has functionality to help with interacting with SAP BTP? For instance, I can quickly navigate through my folders and sub-accounts in those folders. And I can view my BTP subscriptions as well. Even launching directly into the Business Application Studio from the subscription that I'm currently targeting.
Hey folks, Rich Howman here. Hope everyone is staying safe, staying warm, and staying eager to learn in 2024. So this week, I just want to let you know about a recent podcast that has been released as part of the SAP BTP Talk Podcast. This episode, 103, is called Exploring SAP BTP ABAP Environment. In this episode, Nicholas Siemer talks with Frank Jensch about SAP BTP ABAP Environment, what it is, what are the common use case scenarios, the future outlook on its evolution, and much, much more. So wherever you listen to your podcasts, on the plane, in the gym, out on your run course, or whatever, and you want to catch up on what SAP BTP ABAP Environment is all about, then make sure to check out this podcast episode with Nicholas and Frank today.
The functionality of SAP Analytics Cloud Custom Widget has been recently extended with the feature to host the widget right inside SAP Analytics Cloud and to use a data model as a data source without a significant effort. The new free learning journey creating custom widgets for SAP Analytics Cloud Stories contains an end-to-end scenario to explain this functionality, covering its core features. This 4-hour course will help you to learn all the major steps, like identification of a suitable chart library, creation of a configuration file, creation of web component as a JavaScript file, and deployment of a widget to SAP Analytics Cloud tenant. Happy learning!
Hola, SAP developers. There is a new adapter available in SAP Cloud Integration. This is the Advanced Event Mesh Adapter. The adapter enables you to easily connect to SAP Integration Suite Advanced Event Mesh. There is a sender and a receiver adapter, and the adapters use the Solus message format message protocol. Check out the link that I'm including in the video description to learn about all the features available in the sender and receiver adapters. Now, talking about Advanced Event Mesh. I've started working on a new SAP CodeJam, which will focus on Advanced Event Mesh. In this SAP CodeJam, we will look at how we can use Advanced Event Mesh to enable event-driven architectures and scenarios across multiple systems and services in a landscape. The content is not ready yet, but it should be by the end of March. You can follow my progress via the GitHub repository. The link is included in the description below. The link is included in the description below.
The new free learning journey creating custom widgets for SAP Analytics Cloud Stories contains an end-to-end scenario to explain this functionality, covering its core features. If you want to get the latest about major SAP Datasphere features delivered in Q4 2023, then please watch the recording of What's New session presented by the product management. Besides general product updates, the session covers updates in data management and data integration, in data modeling, catalog and consumption, and in administration and SAP BW Bridge. For details on some major updates, check the corresponding blog posts. Analytical and relational OData APIs provide harmonized, semantically rich access to SAP data. Hierarchy-based directory to integrate smoothly with SAP S/4HANA and SAP BW hierarchies. And Kafka integration with replication flows to enable real-time data to value scenarios with SAP data.
The latest SAP BTP Innobytes episode is out now. For those of you who don't know what these are, where have you been, first of all? But anyway, they're quick, bite-sized video and blog post combinations covering 2 or 3 innovations on SAP BTP each time. This new January 2024 edition covers authorization management on SAP Cloud Identity Services, Edge Integration Cell on SAP Integration Suite, and the Generative AI Hub on SAP AI Core. Check it out. The link, as always, is in the description.